Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
Today we will install a very popular IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, known as Jupyter Notebook. In my book Arun Teaches Python, I have explained how to install Eclipse IDE. So similarly, there are many open source IDEs available, popularly Eclipse. You can also configure it in NetBeans, PyCharm, then Visual Studio Code, and many others. But today I will be showing you how to install Jupyter Notebook. Okay, for that you have to first know what is your Python version. So let's issue the command python. What happened? python Python dash version. So we have Python 3.8.2. Okay, now we will issue the command. Sorry, it's already there, I did it previously. So this is pip pip install Jupyter, right? Press enter. It will download Jupyter Notebook's required files and it will install in your system. Since I already did, it is it has ignored this command. Okay, now let us go to my Windows environment, sorry, Linux environment, and install in Linux. So in Linux, same way you have to check your version. It will be it is Python 3 here, so I have Python 3.6.9. Now here you have to issue few commands. First is apt get update, right? So let us do sudo apt-get update update. It will update your package. Then we can issue this particular command, or we can issue both of this command if we wish. Anyone will do. If pip is already installed, this command would update it. So let us try this one. Okay, so this is pip3 is already installed in our system. Now we can finally issue sudo pip pip3 install jupyter Jupyter. Enter. It is downloading. It will take a couple of minutes depending on your internet bandwidth and speed. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, done. Now Jupyter Notebook is installed. Let us run Jupyter Notebook. So in order to run, you have to type Jupyter Jupyter Notebook Notebook. Okay, press enter. Now you see you are getting a link localhost port 8888. Now Jupyter Notebook is a browser based environment. It opens you a browser. If you won't get this particular page in case the browser is not open, you can open a browser. So I have Firefox here. Let's open Firefox, and we have to copy this particular link. Just copy, right click, copy and paste here. Enter. Now see, you are getting all these folders. Now I open my document and let us do a hello world project. Click on this new, then select Python 3. Now we will do print hello world. HELLOWORLD world. Now if you click on this run button, you will get hello world. Say A equals to 10, run, B equals to 5, run, then say print A plus B, you will get the result. Okay, so this is how we will use Jupyter Notebook. So in our future, means for rest of the courses, we will be using Jupyter Notebook. And once you master Python, you yourself would know how to download other IDEs. Okay, so let's close it, leave this space, close it, and in this prompt you have to press Control X and it says shut down the notebook. Yes, you shut down the notebook, so your notebook will be shut down. Okay, now let us go to the Windows environment where we already installed it. So in order to start here, same thing, Jupyter Notebook, press enter. Here also you will get this particular tree. If the browser somehow doesn't open, then you can copy. You have to right click and mark. Here it is little different. Then click on the top bar, click on mark, open the Google Chrome. Here there is a trick. We have not completely copied uh, this 47AC, right? Just type 347AC. Press enter. It is taking a lot of time. So what do? Let's wait. Let's wait for a second. Let me just by this time it would have come. I don't know. I am running two VMs. Maybe that's why it is taking a little time. Okay, so let us do one thing. Let's delete this token. and press enter, it will come. If it did not come, then there would be some problem in this VM, but this is the way you have to use. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us Control C, close this notebook, and we will reopen it. Okay, so CLS, let us again do Jupyter Notebook. Okay, let the browser open. Okay, now we come here, click on this desktop, click on new, Python 3. So another notebook will open. Yes, now we can type print hello world. Now if you want to save this file, you can save it. Now it will be automatically saved as untitled. You can rename this. Okay, rename it, say my first Python program, and it will save as IPYNB. Now it saved in desktop. Let us close this one. Now you see in the desktop you are getting this. If you want to open, you can click on it and open it again. Okay, now you can continue working in this particular program. The output, why output was not saved? Let's try again. Print hello world, run it. This time we click on this save option. Okay, now we will close it, open it again. We will see hello world there. Yeah, it's there, right? So this is the end of this particular tutorial. From next tutorial we will be working on Python examples. Okay, see you there.